Hello friends, a couple of days back I created one video where I was showing how to highlight dates which are upcoming. So maybe dates which are appearing in current week, current month or like that. Okay. But some of the followers informed me that it is not applicable for the birth dates. If someone is in HR department and he wants to highlight the upcoming birthdays, then it cannot be done using that technique. The reason being that if these people were born in 80s or 90s, okay, and then if I go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, and if I click on this date occurring, then it gives us the option of selecting whether you want to highlight dates appearing in these periods, like in this month, in next month, okay. But because these dates have already passed, they cannot appear in these periods. So for a birth date or anniversary dates or joining dates, something which has already passed, what is important? The day and the month. That is important. Year is not relevant. Okay. To celebrate something, year is not relevant because year will always be the current year. So what we need to do is we need to find the corresponding date in the current year. So before that, I would like to introduce you to two simple functions, the month and the day. So if I say day of this date, then it simply gives me, let me format it with normal general formatting. So it simply gives me the day part of the date. Similarly, there's a function for month. So if I use month, then it gives me July as 7, April as 4. So numeric month. Okay. So if you want to calculate corresponding date in the current year for this birth date, there is a function known as date. And then it requires three elements: year, month and day. So year I will take from current year. And what is current year? There is a function known as year, and I will give input of today because today will always be current day. Okay. So whatever is the year running at present, that will appear. Okay. And just to show you without date, the result will be something like this. It will always give us 2020. And when we move to next year, it will give us 2021. So we have seen all the components, whatever we need, the year, the month and the day. Now I will create a date out of these three. So date requires year. So year is nothing but year of today function. I will close the bracket for today. And then it requires month. So month I will take from month of my birth date. Okay. My C3. Close the bracket for that. And then the day part also I will take it from C3. Close the bracket. Close the final bracket. And when I press enter, it gives me corresponding dates in the current year. So 27th December 95, it became 27th December 2020. Now you can use this technique of conditional formatting. I will first clear all the rules. So conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, and then you can go for a date occurring in yesterday, maybe this week, nothing is there. This month, yes, something is there. If I go for last month, there was one date. Okay. So this way you can highlight the upcoming birth dates or anniversaries or joining dates so that you can plan for some actions. Okay. Now there's one more way without creating this date. Let's say if you want to highlight all the dates which are appearing in the current month. Okay. So rather than going for this, I would still like to do based on only this column. So I will go to conditional formatting, new rule. New rule will be based on a formula, and the formula would be that whenever the month of this cell, and I will remove the dollars from row number so that it can be used in all the rows. Whenever month of this cell is equal to month of today, then these dates should be highlighted. So I can go to this formatting, then maybe a fill, and let us use this light green color. And when I click OK and click OK, you can see these are the two dates which are falling in the current month. Okay, so these two ways you can use to highlight your upcoming birthdays. So if you create a corresponding date in the current year, then maybe you can use this technique, that rather than highlighting it in the particular month, I want to highlight for a particular week, this week, next week, something like that. Okay, I have a little more flexibility. If you don't want to go for that and current month is okay, then you can also use this simple function that whenever my month of birthday equals month of today, then those things should be highlighted. Hope you found it useful. Please like, share and follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel.